welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So I have this look for you guys right here, this look right here. I love the look, so don't worry about me. You know, something for an event or, you know, an occasion. It's a very wearable look and it's giving me bridal feel. Like, you know, I feel very bridal, especially with the hair. I feel bridal, like if I had the right jewelry, something simple, and you know, imagine me with a wedding gown. Especially with Nigerian brides. Ooh, you know, we go in. But anyways, if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, keep on watching. So I'm going to first of all prime my eyelids with my Estee Lauder primer, and I'm just going to put that all over so that when I put the concealer and everything, it's not going to crease or, you know, get oily. Then I'm going to use my Sephora concealer, and I'm going to put that on my brow bone first of all before I go in with my concealer. Now I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in light ivory. I'm going to use that as my eyeshadow base, just so the colors can pop with a lighter, so the lighter colors can pop on my eyelid. And I'm just blending that out. Now I'm going to set that with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Going into my Carly Bybel palette from BH Cosmetics, I'm going to use that color as my transition color. It's like a blush purplish pink, I don't even know what to call it. And I'm just going in with a bit more for more pigmentation. Going into my Nubian 2 palette, I'm going to use that orange and put that in my crease. Now I'm just going back with that transition color to kind of blend it out. I just went back and forth. I just kept going back and forth with all the colors till I got the desired, you know, look I was going for. I'm going back with the orange again. I'm just adding that for more pigmentation. Going into my Masquerade palette, I'm taking that purple and also putting that in my crease just to build up on that color. And I'm going back with that orange again to bring out that first crease color and just to blend it out. And again, going back with my my transition color, I'm going to blend it out. Into my Morphe 35B palette, I'm taking that dark blue purpley color and I'm going to use that to smoke out my eyes, putting that at my outer V, and I'm gradually taking that in. Then I'm just packing a bit more of that color on the outer V, just because, you know, I want it to be very obvious. And I'm going back with my crease color to blend it out, both the orange and the purple. I'm going back with that blue again and just blending out that color. And once again, I'm going in with my transition brush, the brush I use for my transition color, to blend it out. So I've gone ahead to cut my crease, and I'm using that Nubian 2 palette, and I'm taking that shade to put that on the center lid. I cut my crease with the same concealer I use, light ivory. And I'm just using this kind of pencil brush to put that on my lid. Use a wet synthetic brush. Anything wet would be good. Taking that color, I'm going to put that in the inner corners of my eye. I didn't plan to have that sort of line showing, like the line in between where I cut my crease and the colors, but I was just trying to be careful and it came out like that, so I just left it like that. And now I'm just gonna blend everything out, adding more of that color. I'm going to blend. Now I wasn't sure whether to use glitters or not. I don't really like glitters, to be honest, but I was just like, you know what, I had already planned to do it. So taking my elf glue, glitter glue, I'm just putting that on the center lid first, and I'm gonna work in sections. Taking this glitter, it's called Fire Heart from I think it's bulk glitters, and I'm just gonna put that in the center lid. Taking this goldish glitter, I forgot the name, but I'm gonna put that in the description box, and I'm just gonna apply that on in the center lid, in the inner corners of my eye, sorry. And I'm just blending that as I go with the other one. Now I'm going to line my eyes with my Wet n Wild liner, liquid liner. I really love this stuff, and it's cheap. So I went ahead to do my face. I'm just going to line my waterline with my Maybelline Neo gel liner. This crease, it brings out the eye look, you know, like very well. I'm just using those same colors. I use the purple and the dark blue, and I'm just gonna smoke out my lower lash line. And I'm just using those same shimmery colors I use from the Nubian 2 palette, and I'm just pretty much following the same thing I did on the top lid. And I'm just using that gel liner to kind of create this inner wing with my in my eyes. Using these two colors, I'm gonna highlight my face, so starting with my brow bone. And then my cheeks. I usually layer it twice just for depth. I would say I build up on the highlighter. It's a little bit shimmery, you know, but I don't mind it. And now to put blush on my face, I'm gonna take that center color and the outer darker purpley one, and I'm just blushing up my face. And I'm setting my face with my Mario Badescu setting spray. And I'm applying these lashes from AliExpress. I love them. I went ahead to do my lips. Actually, the camera cut off, but I just lined my lips with Night Moth. I put that as a lipstick, and then I just put this gloss from Colourpop that doesn't have a name because they sent me the sample. So guys, this is the finished look right here. I just went and put some accessories, you know, child. I just wanted to look good because with this look, you know, I feel like, you know, it commands an outfit or something. Like, you cannot just wear this and have a regular day. When you have this look, you're gonna have a fabulous day. Like, you're about to, you know, it's either an event, a wedding or something, or, you know, just to feel good, look sexy with the eyes, and, you know. I love how it turned out. I am like, ooh, I am proud of myself. Ooh, child. See that? It is sexy. Let me know what you guys think about the look, and if you have any requests or anything, let me know and we'll see what we can do about that. But anyways, I really hope you guys enjoy this look. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.